Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I'm making one of the quickest, most delicious Italian desserts and most popular, certainly, and that is cannoli. And nowadays, you can buy cannoli shells. They're readily available. Sometimes you find them in supermarkets. Sometimes you will find them in specialty markets, but this takes a lot of the work out of it. So other than that, this is a very quick, simple dessert. And it starts with ricotta cheese. This is 8 ounces of ricotta, which is 240 grams. And this is actually 1 cup that's been compressed. And then what you want to do is put this in a strainer if it seems wet. Into that, I'm doing 1/4 cup of sugar. If you have a superfine sugar or a caster sugar, that'd be great. This is 2 tablespoons of cream, and that's my addition. I just like that. It makes it light and really delicious. This is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I have 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now you just whirl this whole thing up. And in about a minute, you have the filling. Once it starts getting creamy and fluffy, that's it, you're done. Now, here I have a closed star tip. You don't have to use a tip at all. You can use just a plastic baggie and put the filling in there. But if you're filling it with a tip, what I do is I give it a little twist and push that in, just so you can control how your filling goes into your pastry bag. And then just fill your bag. It's easy to fill your bag in some sort of a cup like this, or you can hold it up and fill this way, whichever is easiest for you. Don't want to fill your bag too much. And then what I do is I twist the bag and then twist that around my finger. And then you just fill your cannoli. Isn't that beautiful? And there you have it. Dessert, and it's gorgeous. And what's traditional is, you don't have to put cinnamon in here. Some people like lemon, almond, but you can also take the edges and dip them in something like, these are pistachio nuts. You can do chocolate, you can do little rainbow sprinkles. Now you don't have to use a pastry bag. This doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can certainly just use the edge of a plastic bag and pipe that in plain, or even a spoon, just a small spoon, and put your filling in that way. Let me just taste the filling. Oh, it's good. It's really good. You get a little tartness from the ricotta cheese, but what's really nice is it balances out with the sweetness from the vanilla and also the sugar. It's not too sweet. It's really very good. I hope you try this recipe. It is really delicious. It goes together like that. It's easy. It's quick. I can't think of a bad thing to say about it. So let me know if you try it. Thank you so much for watching Nina in the Kitchen. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.